Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Areeba drawing tutorials. Welcome to all my viewers and happy Ramadan. So today I am drawing a basic beginner scenery. Take out your pencil. Here I am using a 6HB pencil and a scale. You can use a simple pencil available to you because it's a beginner scenery, so there are no restrictions. So let's draw. First of all, I have drawn a straight line and now I'm drawing a house over it, just like this, a window and some door in it. Now drawing the base of the house just like this, using the scale to be in the accurate proportions. Now I'm drawing a tree at the right side of the house just like this, and drawing another tree at the left side of the house just like this. Thank you for being on my video and watch it full. Don't forget any drawing tip, and also do comment on my video how is my drawing, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I usually upload all of my videos with my own voice tutorial so that my viewers may understand it more. So I have drawn a path directed from the house, and now I'm drawing some grass on the right side and on the left side.